How to log out of DeepSeek AI application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of DeepSeek AI application. I'm doing this tutorial on iPhone, but if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are same on both of the devices. Now, if you're using this on PC and if you're, try to log out your DeepSeek AI account from your PC, you can also follow similar steps. So once you click on your DeepSeek AI application or website, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on these two lines at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. So you can just click on your profile at the bottom left. And now over here, you'll be redirected to your profile settings. And over here, you'll be able to see an option that would say log out. So you can just click on log out, and after that it will say that confirm logout. Logging out will not delete any data. You can sign back into this account at any time. So you can just click on log out and you will be successfully logged out of your DeepSeek AI application. So that was how you can log out of your DeepSeek AI application. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.